Welcome back. In today's quick guide, I'm going to show exactly how to share your QR code on Telegram using the latest update. This is one of the fastest ways to let others add you without typing your username or phone number. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner. You'll see 3 horizontal lines. Tap on those lines to open the menu. From the menu, tap on My Profile. This will take you to your personal profile page where your account details are displayed. Now, on your profile screen, look for the QR code icon. It's usually located near your profile picture or username. Tap on that QR icon to open your personal Telegram QR code. At this point, your unique QR code will appear on the screen. This is what others can scan to quickly find and connect with you. To share it, simply tap on Share QR Code. After tapping, your phone will open the sharing options. From here, you can send your QR code through apps like WhatsApp, email, or even directly through Telegram chats. That's it. You've successfully shared your Telegram QR code. Using QR codes makes connecting with people much faster and more convenient, especially when you don't want to manually exchange details. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep this method in mind next time you want to add someone quickly on Telegram.